Hey everyone, welcome to Invest with Fire. In this video, we're going to talk about how Parachain has increased by 50% and see if Parachain is ready to go to the moon or not. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. So on the screen, I have the price chart of Parachain. And as you can see, we've had several good days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Parachain has broken out of this RSI downtrend right here. And I had this line from previous videos where I drew it. But of course with lines, sometimes it depends where you draw it or not. So I'm just gonna move this line up and see if it breaks out this current downtrend right here. But it's a good sign that we broke out of this previous line that I drew. And we'll see if we continue to break out of this. Also, Parachain is testing the 200-day simple moving average, and we're also testing the 50-day moving average. It's kind of pretty crazy since it's going down and the slope is pretty steep. And the 100-day moving average is around $5.70. So that's some good signs that Parachain is testing some of these simple moving averages. Now, is Parachain going to go to the moon or not? Well, I think there's several things to still be cautious of. That I see on these price charts. First is the volume right here. The volume doesn't really support this uptrend that we're seeing right here. Yeah, we had this good pump right here, 78,000, but we're seeing the volume going down, right? And the candles also reflect this too. So if you're new to cryptocurrency, you have to understand that Bitcoin still controls the market and is still the king, even though it's a surveillance coin. But you have to understand that when Bitcoin goes up, then all the altcoins will follow. And of course, if Bitcoin goes down, then altcoins will go down too. So, this is the main reason why we've seen an increase in price of Parachain. So we'll take a look at Bitcoin. And we'll see here, Bitcoin's trading around $39,000. And I just want to point out a couple things that this green line, this is a 50-week simple moving average. And we've seen other instances where Bitcoin has bounced off this 50-week SMA and has decreased in price. So this one was in January 2019, going down. We see another one where after the 2018 peak, Bitcoin bounced off this green line right here, the 50-week moving average, and decreased in price. And we have one more instance where we got near the 50-week, had a rally, and went on a downtrend right here. So, we don't want to use this as an indicator to trade off, but this is just to show you that this has happened in the past. And that's basically it. Of course, history doesn't always repeat itself, but history rhymes. But that's why I'm being a little cautious about this bounce off this 50-week SMA right here, because we've seen this in the past. And next, Bitcoin, even with this incredible rally that we've had right here, Bitcoin is still trading in a range. So if we draw some trend lines, that and that, Bitcoin is still trading in this range right here. And we still haven't broken through this range right here. We're at 39,000. We've had several good days of green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we had this wick that tested this line up here. But we still haven't gone past this 200-day moving average. And this is a strong resistance line too. So even though we've had several good days, Bitcoin to me is still trading this range. But once we start breaking out through this, then Bitcoin is going to go up in price, and then altcoins will follow behind. Another thing to keep in mind is that Bitcoin dominance, the dominance of Bitcoin is trending upwards. And if it's trending downwards, then altcoins are increasing their dominance. But right now, we've had a slow increase in Bitcoin dominance, showing that Bitcoin is still the dominant cryptocurrency in the market right now. You could buy Parachain if you want to, if you don't have a position in it yet. Just for me, I'm getting a better return with my money in Bitcoin now because Bitcoin is still going upwards. The dominance is still increasing. There's less risk than other altcoins right now. Even though it's a surveillance coin, I understand that, but I'm here to make returns on my investment. And right now, Bitcoin to me is still the least riskiest asset currently, in my opinion. And another thing to take a look at is the Parachain to Bitcoin trading pair. Parachain is still in a downtrend, but of course we still have limited data on this TradingView chart, June 22nd to July 27th. We're still in a downtrend here. This chart shows that Parachain is not holding up to the value of Bitcoin and is downtrending against Bitcoin right now. But once we break out of this, then that's a really good sign that you're getting greater returns on Parachain compared to Bitcoin. I'm still being cautious in this market. I still say Parachain has a couple things to prove still. We still have to break through these moving averages. And then I could really officially call this an uptrend and going to the moon. But right now, I still think we're trading in range right now. And we're still kind of in a downtrend right now, even with this increase in price right now. But we'll see. I mean, we are testing this 200-day moving average, and that's a good sign. So that's it, everyone. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.